we will be needing sugar, egg whites, and butter. We're going to begin boiling our 4 cups of water. I'm just going to set everything aside so it doesn't burn. Some things you will also be needing is I have a stand mixer, but you can use a hand mixer. Both works. I have a whip attachment attached to the stand mixer. You'll also be needing a thermometer and a whisk. Also a cloth or a heat resistant glove like I have, and a stainless steel bowl. Once our water begins to boil, we want to mix together our egg whites and granulated sugar. I use the egg whites in a box, the ones you can find like above your eggs in the store. If not, you can also use fresh egg whites. Once you place your egg white mixture on top of the hot water, you just want to make sure that you don't stop mixing or you will cook your eggs. We do not want that. We just want to reach the temperature to 140. Once it has reached the desired temperature, we're going to put it in our mixing bowl with our whip attachment, and we're going to mix on high. We want to mix until it's double in volume and at room temperature. Once the meringue is ready, we're going to begin adding slowly our softened butter. The clip is fast forwarded, so I would just add your butter at a steady pace. There will be a moment where your buttercream looks a little curdled, and that's okay. It's totally natural. It will whip up together in no time. Now is the time to add any extract you would like. I went ahead and used vanilla, but there is 1,000,001 flavors out there for preference. And that's it. We've made our 3-ingredient Swiss meringue buttercream. I use this many ways. It's very versatile, and it is definitely my go-to buttercream. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the like button and comment if you want to see anything else. And please subscribe. It means a lot. Thank you so much.